In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily move a row in a spreadsheet. This is a super handy skill, especially when you're organizing data or rearranging information to better suit your needs. By the end of this video, you'll be comfortable moving rows to exactly where you want them, without losing any data or getting flustered. Alright, let's get started. First, you'll want to locate the row you wish to move. Direct your attention to the row number on the left-hand side of your screen. This is the gray box, also known as the row header, and it's your starting point. Once you've identified the row number, go ahead and click on it. Doing this highlights the entire row, making it stand out from the others so you can clearly see what you're working with. Now move your cursor over the selected row number. As you do this, observe the change in the cursor icon. When your cursor turns into a hand icon, this is your signal that you're ready for the next step. If the hand doesn't appear immediately, adjust your cursor slightly until it does. This small change lets you know that you're in the right spot to move your row. Next, with the hand icon visible, go ahead and click and hold the row. Keeping a firm hold on your mouse or trackpad button, you can now drag this row to its new location. As you drag, you'll see a thick gray line that appears on your screen. This line is your guide, showing where the row will land when you drop it. Make sure to position this line exactly where you'd like the row to be placed. Once you're happy with the new position, simply release the mouse button or trackpad. What happens next is a smooth transition. The row slots right into its new home. You'll notice that the other rows automatically adjust, filling in the space where your row used to be, ensuring your spreadsheet remains neat and orderly. It's really that simple. Before you know it, you'll be moving rows around with ease, saving time and keeping your data organized. Remember, practice makes perfect. Feel free to try moving different rows to become more comfortable with the process. If you're working on an important document, or your spreadsheet is shared with others, it's always a good idea to double check that everything is where you want it after making changes. I hope you found this tutorial useful and that it helps you manage your spreadsheets more effectively. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.